Am I live? Okay, I'm gonna try. How do I know that I'm live? Let's see. Select stream? I guess I'm live. Okay, now just gotta see whether there is any audio playing. Let's see. Wow, okay, I'm live, okay. See whether there is any audio playing. Wow, okay, I'm live, okay. Yep, that was a playback, and I don't know. The quality looks very trash. Oh, okay, okay. You can bump up the quality. So I guess that's fine. Okay. So right. Yep. That was a playback. And I don't know. The quality looks very trash. Oh, okay, okay. You can bump up the quality. So I guess that's fine. Okay. So right. I wonder how long the delay is for. Is it very long? I wonder how long the delay is for. Is it very long? We recommend they use a bitrate of 6800 kbps. Okay, how do I change that? Um, we recommend they use a bitrate of 6800 kbps. Okay, how do I change that? Okay, I clearly have no idea what I'm doing. Let's see. Okay, I clearly have no idea what I'm doing. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna increase my mic volume because I sound very soft on the playback. And I have no idea how to do that. Let me see. Or is my speaker just soft? Okay, I'm gonna increase my mic sound very soft on the playback, and I have no idea how to do that. Let's see, or is my speaker just soft? Okay, trying it again. Okay, trying it again. Yeah, okay, that sounds great. Alright, so I have no viewers. That's fine. Yeah, so I'm just going to be live trading ESNNQ on a funded account. So my funded account will be with TopStep. Alright, so what was I? Okay, yeah, so my funded account will be with TopStep. And yep. So I'm gonna get rid of all of my drawings. So let's take a look at what I'm looking for as we are approaching the day. So I'll be putting, let's zoom in into the 1 hour first. So obviously we just had news that happened at 8:30, and now we are just waiting for structure to form. And so yesterday I traded this and I got absolutely wrecked, and I lost my trading account. So that's why today it's gonna be day 1 of the TopStep new account challenge. So I'm gonna take a look here. I don't think there's anything going on at the macro level for me to take any trades. Right now, this is a very obvious turtle soup and internal turtle soup. Also because we came here and we filled this gap. Yep, we filled this gap right here. So actually, this is actually rebounding quite strongly. But unfortunately, we are also in this breaker. So it's pretty hard to tell where the draw of liquidity will be. So what I'll do now is I'll probably wait a few more minutes, maybe when market opens, and then see where price wants to take us. Okay. Right, so look at this. So we actually swept sell side liquidity here. So there is an obvious SMT. So let me just draw that out for you guys. So this will be our SMT. And similarly, where is it? Yep. Similarly, this is where we're having our SMT. So this is pretty good news, which means we are pretty bullish. So I'm gonna zoom into 1 minute to see what I can look for to take a trade. Oh, this is perfect. We are actually in this breaker, and yeah, I like to see price reject of the consequent encroachment at a 50%, and then yep, I will probably look for trades to hit here, and there's some equal highs here. I think so far we're rejecting pretty nicely. especially with that turtle soup entry. So actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a trade, maybe just two contracts and market, and then for my stop loss, I'm gonna lower my risk to 0.5, 2 units, and yep, we can take profit. Yep, we can. Oops, missed my entry there. So ideally, we shouldn't expect this to come back and re-sweep the low of this, because technically we have already swept liquidity, so we shouldn't come down and sweep it again. And as for my profit targets, I'm gonna do a quick fib retracement. So fib retracement is all the way here. So this tells me that I should be taking profits around here, which I guess is okay. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna line this up with the buy side, and then I guess we can just wait. So one really big mistake I really want to change about my own trading is I would actually love to stop sizing up, because I realize that when I'm in 4 contracts, especially on NQ, I tend to get a bit too greedy, and eventually, even if I'm up on a day, I would give all the profits back. And that's something I really fundamentally want to change about my trading. And okay, by the way, I am not a profitable trader. I am just doing this for fun. And I think that watching game tips of myself trading is actually better than journaling itself, because I've tried journaling and I don't think it's useful for me as a person, because I'm someone that doesn't take um, very well to trading my to journaling my trades. Maybe I'm not doing it correctly, but I mean, since I have YouTube Live, why not just use this platform as a way to trade, and also to make myself be stricter on my own trading capabilities. So the entire life is actually just for me. Um, and if anybody else is watching, um, please do not take my trades, because obviously I am not a profitable trader yet. I hope to be one, but now I'm not. So we'll just see where this thing goes, and yeah, um, enjoy the ride. So I love that we got this rejection on the 5-minute breaker. Let me just double check what's going on. I would say we're pretty bullish. But until market opens, I really can't say for sure. So this is considered like an early entry for me. Gonna turn my mic off for a while. Yep, so um nothing to be really concerned about so far. So ideally, the reason why my stop is so oh shit. Oh no. Um huh. uh oh. So the reason why I put my stop so low is because I'm giving the trade room to breathe, right? Because I'm currently still in a breaker, and if I were to sweep and if I were to put my stop here and then it sweeps and it rockets up, I will be so angry at myself. So that's why I'm putting a stop here. And if the trade really is invalidated, I would know that okay, my read was probably wrong. Or it might just take this stop and rocket up. That happens to me a lot. So yep. Let's watch and wait, right? Okay, so it's gonna. Let's see. Was there anything I could have taken? Right, because we had a gap through here. Actually, yeah, I think it's pretty strong. Okay, maybe time for some retrospective thoughts. Maybe what I could have done is I could have taken a soup here, right? Because technically this is a lower low, and technically this is also a turtle soup. Yeah, but the reason why I taken it up here was because I felt that I might have been a bit too late to the entry. Or too early to the entry, god damn. Yeah, so just gonna wait and see if it plays out, it plays out. If the trade goes wrong, I probably have like one more bullet left in me in this account, so the account has like a 3k daily loss limit, so I can still recover. Um, but it's not very nice to start off the account with a negative. Right, so one thing I'm trying to do better is I'm trying to take 5 minute trades. But honestly, 5 minute trades are so rare, right? It's like I don't see much. Yeah, I don't see much when I look at a 5 minute chart. But when I see a 1 minute chart, it opens more possibilities for trading. Any sort of retracements, rebalancing. Yep. So I'm just gonna chill here for a while. In the background, I'm probably just gonna watch some other videos to improve my trading. I don't know, man. Once again, I do not know what I'm doing. Please do not follow me. I do not know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm just gonna watch some videos.
If you are listening, Andrew Tate, you are weird. I'm gonna find you and tag you, Andrew Tate.
I feel like, you know what I need? I need a weapon knife through the screen. The fuck is wrong with you?
Yo, what is up, guys? Um, Today it's Monday. I'm currently recording this on Tuesday because it's a little late. But anyways, today we had a pretty good day, or nevertheless, it was not a bad day in my opinion. It could have gone definitely better, but it was still a pretty good day. We had this EU trade and we had an US 30 trade. Got this one out in the VIP room, and yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys like a recap of how this trade went. So obviously, going into the week, I'm gonna give you guys like a really, really, really quick recap. So going into the week, we took out this weekly low with last week's weekly candle, and then going on the daily, we were really, really, really bearish. Order flow is really bearish, but because really, really, really bearish. Order flow is really bearish, but
Right, so I just realized that my mic was giving off some weird sounds. So I'm looking at it on stream now. Right, so I just realized that my mic was giving off some weird sounds. So I'm looking at it on stream now. Right, so I just realized that my mic was giving off some weird sounds. So I'm looking at it on stream now. You know what? It's something I'm gonna debug when I'm not on stream, I guess. In the meanwhile, gonna comment on the trades. Yes, the trades, of course, the trades. So, once again, we are in some pretty choppy action right now, and we are kind of building some structure. I would say some structure. For us to go all the way back up again, right? So I'm actually pretty confident that we will see higher. We will see a high today. Like we will see us going all the way up, back, back into London, back into London's high. Because if you can see here, London completely wiped out any movement that Asia gave. And then now we are in a range, so I expect it to go all the way back up again. So right now, we're just chilling in this. I think ES looks very strong. NQ looks like it wants to go lower. And honestly, I won't be very surprised if NQ comes down, takes our stop, and then rockets up, right? So I'm just going to react accordingly to whatever happens in the market. And let me just look at Forex Factory for a while to see where we get on news. No rate folder upcoming. So unemployment claims, what's that? Actual forecast. So forecasted is higher than so actual is less than. Bad for stocks. Oh, actually, so the news states that we're actually going further down. So now I'm not too sure about my position. Nah, it's good. Yeah, as again once mentioned, if the trade goes south, I still have at least like one or two more bullets left to fire for two contracts. Yeah, just in hindsight, I probably should have taken, a soup from here. It'll be much better for me, honestly. Oops, oops, oh, oh, market opened. Oh, and I'm stopped out. So I'm looking to re-enter any form of trades. So yep, back in longs. Yep, back in longs. So I'll just put my stop here. And, let me readjust my take profits. Oh, I guess there's no need to. Yeah, let's see. Well, let's see what happens here. It's very volatile. It's very, very volatile. And I got stopped out again. Okay, let's see how's my trade of it doing. I probably have one more bullet left. I'm not gonna waste it. I'm gonna keep patient and not just take another soup. So let's see what structure wants to give us. So I think for me right now, right, it's continuing going lower. Wow, could we see this low? Okay, there is a bit of movement here. I will take another stab at this. Yeah, very low size, very low size. So, technically my stop was around there. So, oh, oh, this is fucking brutal, dude. That's life. I do not know what I'm doing. Right, why am I just trading soups and not waiting for, a further confirmation of it going to the upside? I think that's my biggest mistake, correct? Right now it just feels like it's dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping. Right, so actually I guess it will come and take this sell side. Yeah, it'll probably come and take this sell side. Okay, I'm just gonna take away all the drawings. Pretty unfortunate. Honestly, it could have been avoided. Yeah. Still confident we go up. It's just when does the rocket ship start to go, right? Maybe after sweeping this sell side, it will rocket up. It's hard to say. But not loving the momentum right now. I think what could have been better is I could have waited for an inverse fair value gap entry as well. Let's say there's a green candle here and it digs back in. I could have longed from there instead of like anxiously waiting here and like, oh, is it gonna take my sell stop? Yeah. And so officially it has taken the sell side liquidity and looks like it's looks like it's continuing to go. I'm stopped. Ouch! God damn it. How much do I have left? I have $200. Just gonna try a random Sell. This is not according to plan. Um, it's kind of like a gamble. I don't know. God damn, god damn. I'll maybe take something off when it hits this discount PDRA, right? Um, yeah, probably not going to be taking any trades off for now. I'll just monitor. Yeah, there has to be a target, right? So my target is ESS 5047. So it can go however long it needs to go. Um, wow, that's insane. That is actually insane. Yeah. Um, we are just dumping, bro. What the fuck? We are just absolutely dumping this. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna take any off because it hasn't reached any. Oh shit! Oh no. Right. I think it's pretty hard to trade because my conviction is it should at least clear some key level, and the key level is so far. I mean, we have a key level here as well. Guess we do have some sort of fair value gap here, right? So Let me see what I could have done better. There was like no. I mean, yes, we did like consolidation, manipulation. No leh. I think once we invalidate this fair value gap, we can probably close out. No, I do not want to close it out. Okay, because this fair value gap is holding very well. That's the thing, right? I was like 2k up here, and because there was like no, maybe I should have taken something at this level, honestly, right? Because yeah, you know what? I'm gonna close this out for a little profit. Oh god, I hate that. I hate it when it does that. Fuck. I have like about $800 to play with. Let's see. Okay, new plan. If we can get above this fair value gap, it means we are kind of bullish because we have invalidated a bearish fair value gap. But only if we invalidate it. If we don't invalidate it, obviously we don't take a trade. Okay, so we only look at the bodies as they're formed. Okay, so was it really a key level? I mean, it's some sort of low lah. Right, you see this is not closing above. I need it to close above. Close above and I get long. Close above and I get long. Didn't really close above. Still inside the fair value gap. Alright, now we see NQ coming back up. Honestly, hindsight is 50-50, so I wouldn't have known this would have happened, so gonna put a limit order here for sells. Oh shit. It's okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, oh man. So the thing is, this broke above the fat. But, what? What? Huh? So, um, maybe I missed out something. So this could be price just rebalancing, and after that it will shoot all the way back down again. I mean, highly likely, right? I guess I could have taken something off of this fair value gap. Uh, nah, let's see. gosh, we're just in range. Right, it's no longer like it's good. You know, this always happens because I don't take my trades off. It's like I could have taken something here. It's a scalp, no? Yeah, that's a scalp. So 950 macro opened. I don't know what to expect here, but I'm hoping we see the highs get taken. So on ES, we kind of broke down from this fair value gap. We are still holding on NQ. So I have two conflicting views now, right? Now just gotta wait to see which one overpowers the other. Well, oh well, oh no. It's not looking too good for my account right here. Damn. Okay. Wonder if there's anything better at it that I could have done. I guess off the top of my head, all these traits do kind of seem random, right? It's like I'm swooping here. Okay, wait. So the reason why I entered that trade in the first place when I went long is because we kind of took some sort of sell side here, and then because I think this was a soup, I waited for confirmation. So my confirmation came when we broke above this, and then I longed. Quite impulsively from here, where I could have waited for maybe another entry here. Yeah, maybe I could have waited for the inverse fair value get entry. Yeah. So my one mistake is that I'm too impulsive. Sorry, not just my one mistake, but like one of my mistakes is that I'm too impulsive with entries. Could have gotten a way better feel if I had just waited, right? If I just had set my limit order and just waited. I'm gonna see what's the SD on this. Actually, I don't know what people use SD for, but it's kind of good. Goddamn, it's here. It's too short, man. Come on. guess as I don't know what to use SD for, bro. Right, I'm gonna read up on what SD actually does. Yeah, I don't think the trade is going very well in my opinion. And I mean, we are still holding this fair value gap pretty darn well. What's going on? Oh, oh my god, how are you doing the maintenance? Oh my god. Wow! Okay, let me log in first. It's back. I am back. I think my house is doing some Wi-Fi upgrades. Oh gosh. Oh, me. Oh, oh, wow. Some pretty violent movements though. Looks like there was something that happened at 10 o'clock. What news is there? Is this existing home sales? Shouldn't affect, right? Whoa. 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 Oh, oops. Right, I don't think it's gonna happen. No. It does seem like we are in a consolidation phase again. So, I mean, I would consider this to be is everything a soup? God damn. Because it's there. Wow. Oops. Okay, I guess I'm done for today. I have exceeded my daily loss limit. Jesus Christ. Oh fuck. That's great. Right.